Gosh, I'm so cut out to be a supervillain. And soon, little sidekick, soon... I really should fix that chair. Meow. Soon, this whole wretched town will be mine. I was happy with you. Why'd you take our house? Now, all I want is to steal all of Bikini Bottom and... Meow. Oh, just when I was getting into it.
Ah, the famous Sneaky Hermit. We meet at last.
We just broke out of the joint. And we brought cookies!
I prefer creme brulee, but come in. This had better be good.
We've noticed you've been doing some delightfully evil work of late. And we're thinking of a team-up. A team-up of evil!
We'll help each other out, hatch evil plans, make prank phone calls. It'll be fun. What do you say?
This is perfect. And it'll fit right into my own selfish and evil plans. Yeah, okay, whatever. Get this uncouth captive off my hands, distract Mermaid Man with it, then we'll team up.
Hurrah! I think this is going to work out just fine. Come, Dirty Bubble, let's begin our alliance of sneakiness.
See you soon, Sneaky Hermit.
Yes, farewell, Hermit. I think this is the beginning of a diabolical friendship.
Oh, it's diabolical, all right. Now everyone will be out of my way. I'm off to visit a couple of unguarded supervillain lairs. Make sure you get a few hours of clarinet lessons in.